Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of typos and grammar slips making it into your code comments or documentation, today is your lucky day. We are bringing the power of Grammarly directly into Visual Studio Code, so you can catch those mistakes right alongside your linting errors. Let's get right to it. First, we need to install the extension. Open up Visual Studio Code and head over to the Extensions tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type in Grammarly. You're looking for the extension built by ZNCK. This developer actually reverse engineered the client to bring full Grammarly support to our editor. Go ahead and hit install. Once the extension is sitting in your editor, you need to link it to your Grammarly account. You have two ways to do this. You can head into your settings, go to extensions, and find Grammarly to enter your details manually. Or if you like to stay in the code, open up your settings.json file and add two simple lines. Grammarly.username followed by your email and Grammarly.password followed by your password. Make sure to save the file so the extension can log in. Now here's the cool part. Your mistakes will show up exactly like code errors. If you check your problems list in the bottom of the screen, your typos will be right there with your broken functions. You can click on a mistake to jump to it or just hover your mouse over the underlined text directly in your editor to see the fix. Just click the correction and Grammarly swaps it out instantly. If you're a pro who never makes mistakes in code and only wants help with documentation, you can actually customize where the extension works. You can go into the settings and exclude specific parts of your Markdown or certain file types, so Grammarly only helps where you actually want it. And that's it. You now have a world-class spell checker built right into your dev environment. If this quick tip helped you polish up your projects today, please give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Let me know down in the comments if you prefer Grammarly over the standard spell checkers, and I'll see you in the next one.